Hello everyone, in today's video I have prepared the best camera settings for your Sony A6700. Now basically I have the best overall camera settings and additional video settings for the Sony camera right here. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the photography setting itself. For file format, you want to use RAW for the lossless compressed for the most editing flexibility. For focus mode, you want to use AFC or the continuous AF. This is essential for AI tracking to work. Now for focused area, you want to use wide or tracking expanded spot. The camera is smart enough to find the object on its own. For subject recognition, you want to set it to human or animal or bird, depending on what you're shooting. And then ensure that the subject recog is AF is on. For ISO, you want to set it to auto ISO with the range of this values right here. And for drive mode, you want to use high 11 FPS if you're shooting action, otherwise single shooting. Now, for video setting, basically I have prepared this cinematic look. For file format, you want to use the XAVC S4K. The movie setting is going to be 24 FPS, 100M 4x2x2, 10-bit. Basically, the 10-bit color is a huge upgrade for this camera. And then if you plan to color grade, you want to use the S-Log3. And if you want a great look straight out of the camera, you want to use the S-Cinetone picture profile. For the active steady shot, you want to set to active for smooth handheld footage because this will then go ahead and basically even out on your handheld shots. For the auto review, you want to turn this off so that the screen doesn't freeze after every photo, allowing you to keep tracking of your subject. And so this is the best settings for the Sony A6700 camera. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.